One of my biggest communication challenges at the start of the course was public speaking. I often struggled with the confidence and clarity while delivering presentation. However, the various group activities and individual presentations throughout the semester gradually helped overcome this fear. The activity that helped me the most was the group debate session. It not only sharpened my critical thinking but also trained me to express ideas clearly and respond to opposing views respectfully. Collaborating with classmates during this activity also improved my interpersonal communication. Throughout the course, I noticed major improvements in my reading, speaking, digital communication skills. Writing assignments help me structure my thoughts better, and regular speaking tasks boost my confidence. I also learned how to use tools like Canva and PowerPoint to create a professional. I plan to use these skills in my future career, especially in presenting ideas during meetings, writing professional emails, and creating reports. Effective communication is essential in any field, and this course gave me a strong foundation. My advice for future students is to embrace every opportunity to speak and write. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every attempt is a step toward improvement. Also, make the most visual and digital tools. They can greatly enhance your presentation. And that's all. Thank you.